Hey everyone, imagine studying at a campus where you can explore hidden tunnels, catch a thrilling game in a massive sports arena, and even participate in the same festivals celebrated thousands of miles away from home. Now you're wondering where some of these coolest campuses and the most diverse universities in the US are hiding. Today, we are taking you on an exciting journey through 5 incredible campuses. I'll uncover their hidden gems, dive into their QS rankings, share fun facts, explore their sports clubs, and highlight why these universities are amazing for Indian students. Buckle up and let's get this adventure started. First up, the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. As we all know it, MIT. Located in Cambridge, Massachusetts, MIT is a powerhouse of innovation and technology. Ranked number 1 in the QS World Ranking, it's not just about the brains here. Did you know MIT has its own nuclear reactor on campus? Yeah, talk about being rad. But that's not all. The MIT Media Lab, famous for its innovative research in media and technology, was the birthplace of iconic technologies like World Wide Web Consortium and the Lego Mindstorms. The campus is a mix of modern and old-style buildings, featuring high-tech research labs, cozy libraries, and even a wind tunnel for aerospace studies. The infinite corridor of an 825-foot-long hallway is a central feature for the campus, connecting many of its buildings. MIT has over 30 varsity sports teams and numerous clubs. A standout sport at MIT is crew. The MIT crew team, established in 1920, has a long history of success. Despite of tough academics, MIT knows how to party, and its annual spring weekend is filled with concerts and events. MIT Sangam is the association for Indian students at MIT and represents the many Indian graduate students that belong to the MIT community. Sangam organizes periodic events, activities and festival celebrations to keep its Indian culture alive at MIT. The Sangam organizes events for festivals like Diwali, Holi and Navratri. Next, we head over to the West Coast, the San Jose State University in California. Located in the heart of Silicon Valley, SJSU is a hub for future tech leaders. SJSU offers amazing opportunities with connections to big tech companies like NASA and Apple. The university also has a rich Olympic history and boasts famous alumni like Steve Wozniak, who is a co-founder of Apple. Students here are known for their innovations, such as creating the first solar-powered charging station for electric cars. The campus has high-tech classrooms, the Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Library, and a great sports complex. The interesting part, you are just a stone's throw away from the tech giants like Google and Apple. Plus, the campus is dedicated to sustainability and features one of the most advanced virtual reality labs in the country. SJSU is renowned for its track and field programs, famously dubbed Speed City in the 1960s. The program produced Olympic medalists Tommy Smith and John Carlos. It has a highly competitive esports team participating in major gaming tournaments and providing scholarships to top gamers. From tech meetups to music festivals, the social scene is vibrant. The Spartan pride is contagious. The Indian Student Association at SJSU supports new students, helping them adjust and organizing cultural events. They celebrate festivals like the Diwali, Holi, Navratri, creating a home away from home atmosphere. With SJSU's proximity to tech giants like Apple, Google and Facebook, students have excellent internship and job opportunities. A large Indian student population ensures a supportive and familiar community environment. Now, let's take a trip to the Midwest to the University of St. Thomas in Minnesota. This university blends tradition with modernity beautifully. Did you know there's a bowling alley right on the campus? Perfect for de-stressing after those long study hours. The campus features beautiful classic buildings, modern classrooms, and great athletic facilities. The O'Shaughnessy Frey Library is students' favorite. Additionally, there is a gaming arcade on campus providing a fun escape for students. One unique feature is the network of the tunnels connecting several buildings, allowing students to move around comfortably during the harsh winter months. At the University of St. Thomas, sports are more than just a game. They are an exciting part of the campus life. The lacrosse teams, both men's and women's, bring excitement with their fast-paced action and are major draw for students. The ice rink adds to the fun with broom ball. These unique sports experiences contribute to a dynamic and engaging athletic culture on campus. With a tight-knit community, St. Thomas offers an interesting campus life with clubs, sports, and social events like Tommy Fest. Tommy Fest is a highlight, transforming the campus into festival ground with live music, food trucks, and carnival games celebrating students' talent and community spirit. Tommy Tuesdays further brighten the campus life with themed events like outdoor movie nights and costume parties. St. Thomas has an active international student services office which supports Indian students with visa issues, cultural adjustments, and academic support. The university offers an international friendship program pairing international students with local families for cultural exchange and support. This program helps Indian students feel more at home and provides a unique opportunity to experience American culture up close. Heading over to the University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee, this university is known for its innovative research and urban campus life. UWM is a leader in research, especially in the water science and urban studies. The Research Center for the Advancement of Science and Engineering is doing some amazing work on sustainable urban solutions that are making a real impact. Ever heard of the UWM Panther Arena? It's not just a place for sports and concerts, it's also a home to Milwaukee Admirals hockey team. Plus, the arena has cool solar panel array on its roof showing UWM's commitment of being eco-friendly. The UWM campus is a fantastic blend of modern facilities and natural beauty. For example, the Kenwood Interdisciplinary Research Complex features a living green wall that not only looks great but also helps clean the air. And the Siegfried Hall houses the Innovation Accelerator where the students can bring their business dreams to life. One of the most beloved spots on campus is the Kerrigan Fountain. Located right in the heart of UWM, the fountain is a popular hangout spot for students. Its dynamic water display, especially when it is lit up at night, creates a stunning view and perfect backdrop for photos. UWM offers over 15 varsity sports teams. And if you are into something a bit different, you can try the ice climbing or ultimate frisbee. The campus sports complex is top-notch, featuring an indoor climbing wall to an Olympic-sized swimming pool. And let's not forget about the Panther Vision, the high-tech system that helps teams up their game with advanced analytics. The social life at UWM is buzzing. The UWM Panther Pride drumline brings energy to every game and event, while the Union Sports Annex is a place for esports tournaments and retro arcade games. There's always something exciting happening on campus. UWM's Indian Student Association is a vibrant part of campus life. Organizing fantastic events like Diwali and Holi festivals, the university also offers tailored career workshops and mentorship programs to help international students navigate their careers in the US. And don't miss out on the Global Leadership Scholarship, which supports and celebrates outstanding international students. Last but not the least, we have the University of North Carolina at Greensboro. Known for its diversity, inclusive culture, UNCG is a gem in the South. Did you know that UNCG's Weatherspoon Art Museum isn't just a museum? With over 5,000 works of art, it's a treasure trove for creativity. From modern pictures to classic collections, this museum offers a unique glimpse into the world of art. Plus, it's a great spot for students to find inspiration or just take a relaxing break. The campus features modern classrooms, research labs, and a vibrant art scene. The Kaplan Center for Wellness is a great spot for fitness and relaxation. UNCG offers a variety of sports including basketball, soccer and tennis, as well as numerous internal sports. UNCG's Spartans basketball teams are a major highlight. The men's team in particular has enjoyed notable success, making several appearances in post-season tournaments. With over 200 student organizations and a strong hold on community engagement, there's always something happening on campus. UNCG provides excellent support for Indian students through its International Programs Center. The Indian Student Association at UNCG is very active, helping students with cultural adjustments and organizing events. So there you have it, 5 unique universities, each with its own charm and strengths. Whether you are into tech, sports, arts, or a well-rounded educational experience, there's something for everyone. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time.